Do you want to know how you can turn your Claude AI into dark mode? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn your Claude AI into dark mode or light mode. So let's go ahead and open Claude AI on the Chrome or Edge browser and log into your account. Now click on this profile section over here and then you can see appearance. You can see that it is set into system. Now to change it to light or dark, go ahead and click it, and as you can see it has been turned into light mode. Now to turn it into dark mode, click on your profile, go to appearance and click dark. This way your system will be dark, and to turn it back to light again, just go ahead and click light. I hope this video about how you can turn your Claude AI into dark mode was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.